Hello everyone, I am Vaibhavi and welcome to my channel VAIBHAVI'S Gourmet. A traditional Gujarati sweet made from sweetened gram flour and cooked into a dense fudge flavored with saffron and nuts. Guys, I am talking about none other than the delectable Indian dessert Mohanthal, or you can even call it as a Gramflour Fudge. Today I have come up with Mohanthal, which is one of the signature dessert prepared by my mother and praised by everyone in the family. So let's begin. So starting with the first process, I am taking gram flour, melted ghee, milk, and we will mix it to give it a crumb-like texture. We need to do it this way and we will get a crumb-like texture. We'll bring all the flour together in the center and we'll press it. In Gujarati, this process is called Drabo Devo, and we'll give it a resting time of 20 minutes. Now taking a sieve, we will sieve the flour. In kadai I am taking ghee and will let it melt, and the sieved gram flour, and will give it a good stir. And yes, we need to cook the gram flour on a very low flame. Yes, I know it can be a bit tiring and monotonous, but the end result, I would say, is certainly going to bring the cheers to us. You can see the texture of it. So Mohanthal should always be rough in texture and should not be smooth like besan burfi. So I would highly recommend you to sieve the gram flour or besan mixture to achieve this kind of a texture. And now the mixture has started to cook and has become very light and fluffy. We need to keep it in mind that we need to cook this mixture on a very low flame. We need to stir this mixture continuously. Here the mixture has started to change its color and you can see the particles. So we need to add the mawa. So here we can differentiate that by adding mawa to this mixture it becomes Mohanthal, and without adding mawa to this mixture it becomes a magas made from sugar syrup. So here the mixture is about to reach the desired color we want and it is completely cooked over here. So we will add the spices, pinch of cardamom, almond flakes, nutmeg, and we'll give it a good stir. Here my mixture is cooked completely and I have reached the desired color which I wanted over here. See, you can see it. And it's very important to add elaichi and nutmeg to this mixture. It gives a very different kind of a flavor to it. Here we have added almond flakes to give it a rich taste. And if you are adding almond flakes, you need to add at this stage only so that it gets cooked with this mixture only and releases its oil. Finally, my mixture is cooked and ready. So we will let it cool for few minutes or till we make the sugar syrup. For sugar syrup, I am taking sugar, water, just enough till the sugar level. And we'll give it a good stir. My sugar has dissolved, so I am adding a pinch of cardamom or elaichi powder It gives that fragrance and flavor, oh my god. And here I am adding strands of kesar. I have roasted it. So here I am teaching you how to check the consistency of the sugar. You need to take it on a dish. Just spread it. See, here it is becoming half only. We need half string only. Now we'll add the sugar syrup into the gram flour mixture. Add it when it's hot only. Just give it a good stir. If you need the pieces for Mohanthal, then you need to cook this sugar syrup till 1.5 to 2 strings consistency. Or if you want this mixture like right now we are cooking it, I have just taken it to half string. Then you will get a consistency of Mohanthal like a marriage style. So here we are cooking a marriage style Mohanthal, guys. So now you can see the consistency of my Mohanthal, and now it is ready also. Now let's serve it. And if you are choosing to make the pieces of Mohanthal, then you need to spread it into a dish and put it to rest for minimum for 2 to 3 hours, and then put it into a freeze and then cut into small pieces or desired pieces you want. So guys, my Mohanthal is ready. Now it's your turn to give it a try. And yes, do not forget to